Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the video in Chrome and Google Translate in a side window. This keeps both visible and ready. Once done, turn on the video's captions or subtitles. This provides the text Google Translate needs. Make sure Google Translate is set to your target language or to detect language if you don't know it. Now, pause the video on the first spoken line you want translated. This first actionable step captures a stable caption for copying, and we move quickly into the copy phase. You will now capture small chunks of spoken text and feed them to translate for best accuracy. Pause after a short phrase or sentence, then copy the subtitle or transcript line and paste it into Google Translate. Once pasted, glance at the source language. Change it only if detection is wrong. Play the next 5 to 12 seconds, then repeat. This pacing preserves meaning and syncs translations to speech. Keep segments short so idioms and timing stay correct, and you maintain flow. Finish by polishing translations and syncing them to the video. You should edit wording and translate so sentences read naturally. Replace literal words with common expressions when needed. Once done, play a longer passage to check timing and make minor adjustments. If captions drop or are inaccurate, toggle automatic captions or open the transcript panel. For live streams, work in short, repeated bursts and refresh captions frequently. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing appears, reload the player and re-enable subtitles. That usually restores the feed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.